If you are a business owner and you want to make a car detailing website, this video is going to blow your mind. I didn't use any coding skills. I didn't move elements for 5 hours straight being frustrated. This is something that I made. So showroom shine every time. I got a car here that I added. Right here you see book now, view pricing. We have the services that we got, what we offer. Then recent details. Then the pricing for SUVs, trucks, bikes, cars. Then clean it yourself. This is something I also made. Look at that. Good job. So make it dirt again. Let us do it for real. And we have the drop by or will come to you, the address with the contact, and also follow along for the Instagram. This is all you're gonna see in this video, how you can make something like this. I wish you all the best. Let's go. Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make a great car detailing website with AI without coding in a couple of minutes. It's going to be effective, it's going to look great, and we're going to use a Claude Design. So I'm using Claude Pro account, it's going to be sufficient. In Claude Design, we're not going to straight up prompting. So what do we need first is that we need to have some inspiration. So don't let the Claude Design make the website for you from just the prompt and let's just be creative. What you want is to find some website that you know that you really like of the car detailing and don't want it as a PNG, as in a way the structure that we would like. Or you can come to Google and write here car detailing website template Figma or Framer or even Webflow. And you are going to find some website that you can then, we're going to paste it to Claude Design as a PNG, and it's going to take the inspiration from it. So I got here, for example, the the Figma, and all I have to do is come here and export landing page, and it's going to export it as a PNG. Otherwise, you have to go to some tool that you're going to write here to website to PNG screenshot. You're going to enter the URL and just get the PNG file. Now, in the moment when we are going to have it, I have it prepared. We have to write the prompt. So here's the prompt. I'm in the car detailing business, make me a website. I'm sending you for inspiration website and screenshots. I want it to be more mobile friendly, make up some images there of expensive cars from internet. What I want also is to have contact for name, address, email on site on bottom. Then Instagram feed there too, somewhere on site. Pricing, make it up. Also above the map, I want to have car that person can clean themselves, just a fun thing. Also, they can clean themselves just for fun. Also, a little bit of animations, more sharp objects not round, and want colors to be more green. Then ask me questions for the design, information, and important things that you need. Be creative. So now it's going to ask me questions. I'm using 4.8 Opus, so that is going to be enough. Now, important thing, guys, is that primarily I have a friend who is in car detailing business, is very successful. Is that you want to post a lot of videos on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube Shorts every single day of the work that you do, about how you do things, the tips about taking care of the car, and you want to just putting yourself out there and be there. So that's very important. So the business name, we're gonna have Marcus Detail. Which service should I feature? We're gonna have interior detailing, exterior engine detailing, let's say window tinting, a headlight restoration, paint protection, let's go with that, wheel tire care. How should pricing can be organized? We're gonna go by vehicle type. Contact details, we're gonna have made it up. Instagram handle, we're just going to write there. Then I'm going to show you how you can even add the Instagram there on your site. Where are you located? So made up the address. Okay, we're going to go scrub with finger mouse to wipe away the dirt for the car. One long scroll landing page, we're going to have like that. Main to call action, book now. One option to compare or strong direction. So we're gonna have one options to compare, one strong, okay, and also I want you to make it professional website. So we're gonna press continue. Now it's going to make the website for us. Okay, so look, it made the site. We're gonna make some edits, but at the first take, it doesn't look bad at all. We have the view pricing here, book now. It doesn't look bad. Our services, then we have the recent details, then we have the pricing here. Then when you're gonna go further, clean it yourself so you can clean the car, but I'm going to make this even better. And then the contact. So let's make some edits to make it better, and we're gonna see how it goes. So there are three ways how we can make edits. The first way is that we're gonna start writing what I do right now, or you're gonna press comment and you can just literally just choose this and comment it. Also, you can click here and press tweaks. That is going to give you some ideas and things like that. And present is going to be, no, you want to click edit. And edit is that when I want to click and you want to specifically the contents to change, or you can change the text, that you don't have to tell to Claude to change the text, you can do it by yourself. Few important things, definitely before you're gonna make any big change in a site, go to top left, you're gonna have project menu and you wanna click duplicate project. Have it always duplicated before you're gonna make any change. Okay, so that's the first thing. The second thing, I'm right now writing the things that I want to change, so we're gonna see how it goes. So Claude got problem with the design and with cleaning, so I'm going to do something here. I'm going to click here and background remover in Canva. So I'm going to remove the background for the image. I'm going to download the image, and then I want to have, this is page 2, so transparent background. And I'm going to send it to Claude. This is what I want to have. And I just want to have only this file to have changed. That's something that I'm going to do, because this just doesn't look good at all. And we need to make it different. Okay, so I'm sending you a transparent image. Replace completely the image up contact and have this as transparent and put the dirt on it. Okay, and when it's fully clean, write good job pop up by the side. Try it out. All right, so I'm going to do it like this. Now the header, let's just see how it looks like. So when I'm going to check I made it right this. So on the left, we have book now. Maybe I could even 100%, this looks good in my opinion. I could make the text a little bit better. So this little bit on the right, more bigger. Then we have their services here, recent details, the pricing. Then we have cleaning yourself, it is going to be changed, and contact here. Doesn't look bad. Follow Instagram. You could even make an add testimonials here, but let's see how this is going to turn out. And let's also check out the mobile version when I'm going to check it like this. Okay, recent deep, nice. This is the S, nice. Cleaning yourself. Okay, Instagram. So in my opinion, it looks good. I don't know what do you think, but I don't know how much time I actually spend on the site, but looking great. Check it out, it started to look good. This is what I wanted. Scrub to clean. And let's go down, look at that. Oh my god. And let's see. Woo, baby, come on. And it's going to it's sharing here how much I clean. Look at that. Good job. God damn. It's good. So let's go to new tab and let's try it out here. I mean, I got even tears in my eyes. Like, what is this, man? Look at that. Oh my god. Like, can you imagine that I would do something like with Wix or with Squarespace? To do something like this, or with WordPress Elementor, or even if I could, how long it would take me to make something like this. Now also what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the header on the right with something else like this car right here. And I'm going to background remover. Okay, I need to remove this one here. and download transparent background, and let's just see how it's going to look like. Okay, so please replace the header image with this car, and when the site is loaded, I want it to come there from right. Center it to right middle, so it appears there, and have the text on the left being it. Okay, so now we want to replace the image on the right, and this is something that you can also do, and we're gonna see how it looks like. So look at this. I mean, it doesn't look bad. I mean, I could make the car bigger, and let's say I can come here to new tab, and let's see how it looks like. All right, I mean, it looks good. Also, you saw the loading screen there, so that's something that we also want to change and remove. So we're gonna just write to also in loading, when the site is loading, there is a logo. Just have their normal loading. Thank you. Okay, and let's refresh the site again. All right, I mean, it doesn't look bad. So I would make even better picture, but even when you have your own that you can have and put on your site. But for me, it's a good looking website. So now I'm going to show you how you can export it. So now it has been made that the loading is being fixed, but I want you to export me this site as index.html and give me download link. So first, this is something when you're going to be finished, that's something that you want to do. Because what you want to do is that you come to hostinger.com, link is going to be down below in the description. We have to get a hosting at the domain. So here, you're going to come to pricing when you're going to click on the link, and then you can choose with the free websites, the premium website plan. When you're going to click on it, right there you have option to have period 48 months. Now, you can use my coupon code, which is called Marcus, and you're going to have cheaper price. So the more months you're going to have, the less monthly payment you're going to get. And for the 48 months, in my opinion, is a steal for hosting. And then you're going to have secure domain where you're going to have this is domain.com. You're just going to write the domain here. And first year, you're going to get completely for free. So that's something that you're going to get. And when you're going to click on it, when you're going to buy it, don't click on any WordPress, any website with Hostinger. We don't want it. Now it exported our site, so we're gonna download it, the website. Okay, it's downloaded. Now, if you're gonna have some big images, what you want to do, guys, is to have those images be smaller. You can go to Google, PNG, smaller files, and that's how you're gonna do it. So in websites, when you're gonna have your own site, and there you're gonna click dashboard. So when you're gonna click on the dashboard, what you're gonna do next is gonna go to Files, File Manager, Access to Tutorials. And public HTML, index, you're gonna remove everything that is present there. And we are going to add our own index file. Okay, I'm going to rename it. And voila. Now when we're gonna open the site, dashboard. Not dashboard, but open the website and look at that. We got it. And even right here, I would have to fix it because it's full thing and not just like only the car. So that's something that I would have to fix. But this is it. So hope this video is beneficial. If you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. We'll be happy to help you. And thank you very much. And goodbye.